Okay, so a few days ago I received my Zippo insert, butane lighter insert. Came from Manila. So I didn't have an insert and I didn't have the butane. So it's been waiting until now. And what I did, I actually ordered another Zippo. Standard Zippo. Okay, now this is the casing, the real Zippo casing. Okay, but what was inside there, this is a Chinese. It's destroyed, but the casing is fine. And I put the real Zippo lighter in there. It fits perfectly. I'm just waiting for fluid for this one. So I have a standard Zippo with a fake casing. This is the old insert. It's very, very lousy quality. It's basically garbage. So what I found out is that if I put this insert in the Chinese casing, it's not really good. So that's why I'm using the real Zippo casing for this one. So what you do is you turn it upside down, and you need to have a butane like this, of course, and there is the hole. You press there for 6 seconds, quite hard, firmly down there. And then you have to wait for 2 minutes before you start it up, okay? And here you can see I have a screwdriver, and it's regulating minus to plus, as you might see here, minus to plus. I put it on plus, but I realized that it's way too hot for my purpose, so it's quite almost down to minimum. Now I'm holding my mobile phone with one hand and this one with another, so let's see. Okay, we're gonna put this in the casing. So this one must, I think it must be up. I'm not sure. Let's see how it works. Oh, very complicated when you have only one left hand to do the job with. So that's it. Let's see. No, it doesn't like that. You have to put this one down. Okay, I don't know why they have that stuff on, but now you see, there you go. Now I'm gonna change from my right hand to my left hand holding the camera. Let's see how this is working, shall we? See, it's working perfectly. The Zippo double butane. Now here you have a quite good description about how it works. So I have my butane bottle here. I have my real Zippo. It came without the casing, okay? So only the insert. So the insert, you can see here, that is the insert, and that is the casing. So I had to order another Zippo to have a real casing. Of course you can fire it up just like this, see? But it's cool to have the casing, and it's probably more safe to have a casing. So that's it. Uh, and that's it. Thank you for your attention.